Hello my people, this is your queen, Tatelicious, and today I'm gonna do a song which I learned when I was in secondary school in my Form 1 in a school in Mrewa called Nyahuni Adventist school. And you know, the Advent world, I really liked their music. I learned to be a seasoned singer in the Adventist school. So today I just want to do this song maybe in an honor of saying I'm paying some homage, even though I'm not a Christian, but I really like their music. So it goes like, Obu mindy fampe nemi seja kai ita inoki mubateru oko rangu nditauri rane nemi ese aya matambuzo tenzi vumaindi fambe anemi kuti mandi pasororo je pasi jino nando dozo fambe nekushingendo takura muchinjiko daka randi onerzioni tenzi vumandi fambe nemi handi ngambo fampi dega duturiri kuvuvuta Mrewa kante iwa engiwa nondi yeta ese aya matambuzo tendi vumandi fambe nemi. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I am a kosher.